Pakita mo sa mga people.
Ayan grabe. Prepared din ang ating
Pakita nyo naman yung mga dala nyo.
Anong mga merch ang dala ng ating mga blooms for today? Grabe, may wallpaper pa tayo doon from there. Siyempre, sobrang nakaka-excite. And just, etong special day natin ngayon, it's really a celebration of the Nations Girl Group. Imagine, dito sila nag-start, and now they're all the way to Dallas, Texas to perform and to cater ang ating mga blooms din all over the world. So maraming salamat for this special event.
Kaya nga, it's such an honor, diba, to be part of the celebration. Onting chika lang kasi 30 seconds pa eh. Una kong nakita yung Beanie nung perform sila sa Showtime dati. Yung chocolate nut, gano'n pa. So nanood ako nun, hindi ko pa sila kilala, pero chocolate, coconut. Hala, sorry, medyo gutom, tapos gusto ko ng sweets.
Ako siguro hindi ko makakalimot ang sweet gesture ng Beanie. Yung binisita nila kami ni Patrick dun sa natin, workshop.
Okay, the Blooms, make some noise! Maririnig na tayo natin si Beanie Sheena, Beanie Joanna, Beanie Mika, Beanie Stacy, Beanie Gwen, Beanie Malan, Beanie Colette, and Beanie Aya! Hello, Beanie?
Hi, Beanie!
Tulog ata eh.
Hi!
Hello, Beanies!
Hi, Beanie! So, are you ready na?
Happy 4th anniversary, by the way. Grabe, dami nyo pang energy. Congratulations sa world tour nyo. And say hi naman to all your blooms here na nandito. Nanirinig nyo?
Hello, Beanie! Happy 4th anniversary, blooms! We miss you! We miss you!
Bloom, say A naman kasi gabi na dun.
It's 11 p.m. No? Happy 4th anniversary sa atin, Beanie. And of course, kasama natin ang Blooms dito sa Trinoma. So good evening, syempre, sa ating walo.
Tama, and we have all been watching the world tour through Blooms sa buong mundo. Kaya vibe check muna tayo. A quick question para sa iyong walo. In one word, how are you feeling ngayong 4th anniversary nyo na? Ano ba yung pakiramdam being a member of Beanie na biniyayaan with 4 years and more kasama pa ang Blooms?
If you hold.
Hold daw, sabi ng Beanie Mika.
Ano na lang sa bata? 1, 2, 3, go!
Bless. Salamat sa asahol, pero per person kasi to, Beanie.
Ako na yung 4 years. Before, looking back, pero yun, my favorite part is nakikita ko yung growth ng Blooms. And Beanie na rin. Anniversary.
I am amazed kasi ang dami namin na, hindi pala. Sige, yan na pala akin, hindi pala. Iba na ako. Amazed because ang dami naming na-achieved. And we're in North America right now touring with our tour bus. Woo! And I feel loved. I love you, Blooms. Me, I am yearning. Hindi, syempre na-miss ko kayo, Blooms, na nasa Pinas. I hope na masaya kayo. Excited na kami makabalik ulit. Para sa homecoming. I'm explaining. Thank you for everything. I love you all. Ako, inspired. Yeah, 1%. Inspired. Tapos na yan si Jonas. Blessed. Yes, blessed. Kasi 4th year na natin, pero di ba, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pasok ng blessings. Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Blooms. At syempre, naman dahil na-miss kayo ng mga... Na-miss nyo ba ang ating walo? At dahil hindi na-miss kayo ng ating mga Blooms, meron lamang ilang mga katanungan at mga gustong mga musta sa inyo. Game pa ba tayo dyan?
Yeah!
Yes!
Let's go!
So this is for Beanie Mika, Miss Diana Bersamen.
Hello! First of all, I want to say congrats, girls, for your Dallas concert. Okay.
Thank you.
For Mika, my question is, how does it feel to meet international or foreign blooms who sing along to your songs in Tagalog?
Oh, it feels amazing because we actually didn't expect a lot of foreign blooms because obviously it's not common. Right now, we're still trying to introduce the Filipino music through our Filipinos who are out here in the States and all over the world, really. And we're so excited because watching them trying to sing along in Tagalog and really putting an effort into memorizing it, it's heartwarming and we're always, ay, nakakatuwa lang talaga. Ano yung Tagalog?
Nasanay na, nasanay.
Thank you, Mika.
Thank you, Bini Mika. And next, this is for Bini Gwen from Maria Cristina May Gonzalez.
Hi, Bini. First of all, congrats sa World Tour. For my question, during your ongoing World Tour, are there any moments that has deeply moved or inspired you?
Siguro po yung nung na-meet namin si Baby Mavis, di ba, girls? Yeah. Ano siya, parang nag-undergo siya ng chemotherapy. And nung last time, di ba, parang na-operahan na. Ayun. Sobrang nakaka-touch lang. Na parang na-inspire namin siya, but at the same time, nakaka-inspire din siya sa amin. Ayun. We're very touched. And we're very happy na meet namin siya.
Thank you, Bini Gwen. Next, for our Bini Sheena from Erica Morado Carrera.
Congrats, girls. Hello, Sheena.
Lapit po tayo.
Hello, hello. Sorry. This wonderful question is for you, Sheena. You are the hello, hello.
Po? Hello po.
Hello, hello. You were off the country for a while. What's one thing you really miss that doing here that you can do on tour?
Oh, one thing we miss doing in the Philippines na we can't do here sa tour is eat Filipino food every day and go home to our pets, to our cats. Ano pa? Kaya to our family and friends, we're LDR with them. Yun yung mga na-miss namin. I just said it. Yes, basta Filipino food, yun lang talaga yung nasa puso at tiyan namin. Yes po, thank you po.
Thank you, Bini Sheena. Next, we have for Bini Maloy from Moraine Bungala.
Hello. First of all, congratulations din po sa World Tour niyo. So, I have a question for Maloy. So, throughout the tour, different outfits na yung nakita namin sa inyo. So, Maloy, if you could style the whole group in a signature ukay fit for a concert or a performance, what would the theme be? How would you do it?
Walang hirap. Isa-isa? Feeling ko, incorporate ko yung trip ko talaga na kunwari, plaid, patterns on patterns, tapos, syempre, parang consider ko pa rin kung saan sila comfortable, like, kunwari, yung kanya-kanya silang branding, and, of course, consulting each member, pero yun, I wanna try them to see kung kunwari, no nga eh. Basta kunwari yung super maximalist and extravagant. Yeah. Pattern on pattern na and very makulay. Yeah, that's it. Hope sana someday.
Thank you, Bini
Thank
Maloy.
you.
So we're hoping for that na style mo na yung buong 8 na Binis, including you, di ba? So next is for Bini Colette from Regine Guerra.
Hi, happy anniversary. So,
Happy
Colette,
anniversary.
Pakilig pa.
throughout this world tour, what's one surprising moment or lesson that left a lasting impression on you?
Siguro po for me, yung one lesson na nag-last talaga sa akin ay mas natuto kaming mas maging humble pa. Kasi syempre, sa Pilipinas, nasanay kami na parang ang daming Blooms na nagmamahal, nasa-sold out ng Blooms yung concert namin dyan sa Pinas. So dito parang nag-risk talaga kami na, alam mo, na malaking venue and i-introduce yung Beanie and yung buong OPM dito sa ibang bansa. So yun yung mas tumatak sa akin na mas naging humble experience siya sa aming lahat. Yeah. Nag-love ba kayo? Hello?
Hindi kayo nag-love. Okay lang po. Clear.
Yeah.
Thank you, Beanie Colette. Now for Beanie Aya, Katrina Pagua.
First of all, happy anniversary, Beanie. And congratulations sa lahat ng achievements na My question is for Aya. Following the success of Beanie's projects and world tour, what does living your best life mean to you?
For me po, living the best life, pag maraming blessings. Kasi it means na nandyan lagi si Lord sa'yo and He's always there, just watching out for you, protecting you, and showering His love and blessings. So yun po. And right now, we are showered with so many blessings, kaya thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Grabe, they're sitting on their dream and living the blessings that God gave them. All because of you also, Blooms. Thank you, Beanie Aya. Next is Beanie Stacy from Melissa Mambo.
Hi, Stax. Happy anniversary and happy anniversary. Yeah, so my question is, if your group, Beanie, could only celebrate your anniversary at one dream location, where would it be and what's the theme of the celebration?
Sorry, can you repeat that? I would celebrate our anniversary syempre sa Beanie House. Yung bahay talaga namin doon. Kasi parang sobrang dami namin iniwan na magagandang memories, core memories. Doon talaga kami parang nagsimula yung training namin. So gusto namin balikan lang ulit yun. Celebrate na ngayon, na Beanie na kami, na nagkaroon kami ng concert, mga ganon. So wala, masaya lang balikan. Kasi nakikita din namin online na parang may mga Blooms na dumadaan doon na namimiss nila. Well, kami, namimiss din namin yung house. So ayun, pati yung mga multo, pati mga... Yes. May kapon niya.
Thank you, Beanie. Thank you, Stackers. So yun, Beanie House. Sama na tayo lahat, guys. Gusto ko rin pumasok sa Beanie House. And then last but not the least, Beanie Jo. We have Dallin Jillian Deloso to ask the question.
Hi, Joanna. Happy anniversary and congrats. This question is for you. How do you want Beanie to be known and remembered by your international Blooms this world tour?
Gusto ko po maalala yung Beanie someone who brought joy and inspiration po kahit isang buwan or almost 2 months lang kami dito. And as someone na, sana makasama kami sa core memories nila and na kami pa rin yung 8 genuine girls na nakilala niyo 4 years ago. And someone na patuloy na nag-i-improve pa rin, di ba? Wala namang perfect na performance and tanggap naman namin na, di ba, kung may mga mga constructive criticisms, no? So super open kami for that. Yun, kami pa rin to, Blooms, and sana na-inspire namin yung mga international Blooms namin. And na mas sumuporta pa sa OPM, not just for Beanie, but for the whole OPM. Hintayin na kami dyan, Blooms.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Blooms. Thank you sa inyo. As you can see, no, grabe yung connection ng ating mga Blooms sa ating Beanie. Kaya grabe din sila magtanong. Pero syempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Beanie ang ating mga questions. We also have the members and of course, the people from the press.
So kasama natin ang members of the press para makibalita naman sa Beanie. May mga tanong rin sila for the girls. So maybe, yes, please introduce yourself.
Hello po, Beanie. I'm Lloyd from Lionheart TV. Here's my question po. Where do you see the Beanie X Blooms band 4 years from now?
4 years from now? So we are
25.
5.
Ate Aya's 28.
Tayo ba as Bini? And Bini blooms.
Yeah, I feel like in 4 years, you will be stronger. And sana mas dumami pa sila. And kaming Bini, hindi na kami dadami, 8 lang kami. Hindi rin kami kukonti. Kasi pag may kukonti, it's not really. And ayun, feeling ko, sobrang dami na nating memories. Punong-puno na yung cellphones nyo, yung cellphones namin. So, mag-download na kayo ng iCloud.
Yun, no?
Second question po. What's your wish for Blooms in the next year?
Good health. Wish namin sa Bloom, syempre good health, strength, and more power. Kasi syempre, parang manganganak pa tayong Blooms, di ba? Kasi, yes, and syempre, lalaki pa yung family natin. So, sana, ayun yung wish ko na magkaroon tayo ng good health. Kasi kapag pag tumanda na tayo, at least may mga next generation pa na mas tatayo, mas mag-jump kapag may mga concert kami. Kahit niyo yan!
And patuloy tayong maging inspiration sa isa't isa. Nandito ko sa speaker zone. Ay, yung
And let us choose our battles in life.
We love you, Blooms! Thank you, guys!
Thank you po and congratulations po.
Thank you.
Rainheart TV.
Yes, my name is Jay from Certified Kapamilya. The question is, what is the best memory that you made during the US tour nyo ngayon? Anyone can answer.
Best memory?
Yung bus tour.
Yes.
Kasi first time po namin mag-bus tour and ang saya talaga niya.
Hindi mo in-expect.
Opo, panoorin niyo po yung bus tour namin sa Bini Official. Ang saya po talaga, para kaming nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Tapos, alam mo yun, para kaming bumalik sa Bini House na magkakasama kami gigising, sabay-sabay matutulog, kakain, ganon.
Saka first time ko po ulit nakaranas na matulog na walang alarm.
Ako
the
din.
best.
Sigisingan sa pakiramdaman na.
Ako nag-alarm.
Guys, si Mika nag-alarm ng napaka-aga.
Okay. Ganun po, bus tour. That is the best thing. And feeling ko, to add with that, yung grabe yung love ng mga Pinoy dito sa ibang bansa. Like, parang na-feel talaga namin na dinala namin yung buong Pilipinas talaga dito sa tour namin. So, we are so grateful na napafeel namin sa kanila. Kahit sa isang oras na 1 to 2 hours of show, na-feel na nasa Pilipinas sila. So, we're so grateful and na-share namin yung music namin not only for our Filipino fans but also to international fans. So, super saya talaga. Yeah.
Yes. My follow-up question is, what can we expect from Bini for year 5?
Year 5?
Year 5?
Oh! Year 5.
Next year.
More songs. Yes, for next year. Actually guys, ang dami na, doon na po yung buhay namin na gano'n next year.
Hanggang next 5 years.
Yes, next 5 years. Pero siguro mag-start tayo pag-uwi namin ng Pinas. So pag-uwi namin ng Pinas, hindi pa tapos sa mga pasabog namin for Shaggy D. Basta may pasabog pa po kami dyan. And sana po i-stream niyo po yung Shaggy D, our newest song. Hindi pa po namin na-reveal yung full choreo, so abangan niyo po yan. After nun, meron po kaming homecoming meet and greet po on June 29 sa MOA Arena! Plus, i-release na rin po namin dyan ang aming Bini Cosmetics, so abangan niyo po. And may photo book din kaming i-release, makikita niyo lahat ng memories namin sa buong Biniverse World Tour namin. And abangan niyo si Nix sa July sa All-Star Games. Yes, All-Star Games si Nix ng volleyball and kami po ng basketball. So abangan niyo. Abangan niyo po yan. And for next year, syempre mga songs.
More albums.
Yes, albums.
English and Tagalog. English and Tagalog songs.
Yeah. And yun. Pero most especially magbe-birthday si Gwen dito. Kaya batiin natin siya ng isang happy birthday! Happy birthday, Gwen!
Maniningil ako ng regalo pag uwi ko doon.
Gwen
Thank you to all our press and of course to the 8 who asked the questions to our beanies. So,
Siyempre, happy anniversary again to our Beanie and to our Blooms. Eto na, ano na lang ang message natin to our Blooms, especially